Imagine this. You've just made your first big crypto investment, and now you're ready to take it to the next level. But wait, you've got your USDT sitting safely in your SafePal wallet, and you need to get it to Binance, but you're not sure how. What if you mess up? What if you lose your funds in the process? The world of crypto can feel like a minefield, right? That fear, it's real. But today, I'm here to show you exactly how to move your USDT from SafePal to Binance with zero stress. No more uncertainty. No more guesswork. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to move your funds like a pro. And guess what? You'll be one step closer to that financially free lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss the other life-changing strategies I'm sharing with you on this channel. Alright, let's get into it. How do you move USDT from your SafePal wallet to Binance? It's easier than you think. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. And believe me, if you stick around until the end, I've got a special bonus tip that could save you hundreds on transaction fees. You won't want to miss it. Preparing both your SafePal wallet and Binance account. Before you make any transfer, there's one thing you absolutely need to do. Check your Binance account and make sure you're ready to receive funds. Sounds simple, right? But here's where most people mess up. If you don't set up your receiving address properly, you could be sending your USDT to the wrong place. And we all know how that story ends. Boom! Funds gone. Forever. So let's avoid that disaster by double-checking a few things. First, make sure your Binance account is fully verified. I know, it's a pain. Nobody wants to deal with all the KYC stuff, right? But trust me, it's worth it. Once you're verified, head over to the Wallet section on Binance, then click on Deposit. Choose USDT and select the network you're transferring from. Now, here's the golden nugget. Do not just blindly select any network. Make sure you select the right one. TRC20, ERC20, BP20. These networks are different, and choosing the wrong one can lead to lost funds. I'm serious. Don't skip this step. And yes, I've learned this the hard way before. Ouch. Now that Binance is ready, let's head over to SafePal. Open up the SafePal app and make sure your USDT is there. If it's not, you might need to buy or transfer some first. Go to your wallet, and you'll find the option to send USDT. Select Send, and you're on your way. Step 2. Making the transfer. This is the moment of truth. When all the preparation comes together, the first thing you'll need is your Binance deposit address, which you already got. Right. Now, listen carefully. Enter that address correctly. Mistakes here can cost you big time, so double-check every single digit. Take a deep breath and check again. Now, select the amount you want to transfer. USDT, of course. Once you've done that, hit Send. And here's where the real nail-biting begins. At this point, your funds are in transit. But there's a catch. The blockchain network can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour to confirm the transaction. You might start wondering, what if I never see my USDT again? Asterisk, don't worry. This is just part of the crypto journey. Stay calm and be patient. Your funds are on their way. Once the transaction is confirmed, you'll get a notification on both SafePal and Binance that the transfer was successful. You'll see your USDT in your Binance wallet, just like magic. The feeling of seeing your crypto grow on your Binance account is honestly exhilarating. You've done it. You've taken control of your investments. Step 3. Finalizing and learning from the process. Now that your funds are safe and sound on Binance, it's time to think about the bigger picture. You've just taken a critical step in securing and growing your crypto wealth. But here's the thing. This whole process is a small piece of the larger puzzle. Moving your USDT is just one part of building your financial empire. If you're smart, you will be looking to maximize your returns, whether through trading, staking, or investing in the right assets. See, crypto is more than just a get-rich-quick game. It's about strategy, patience, and knowing when to take action. And that's exactly what today's transfer was about. You showed up, you took action, and you learned how to move your USDT with precision. But hold on. Want to know how to turn your crypto into a compounding wealth machine? Now is the time to take the next step and learn how to harness the power of compounding. If you're ready to take your crypto investments to the next level, I've got a special video for you on the asterisk power of compounding asterisk that will change the way you think about wealth. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Click on the video on your screen now. See you there, and let's keep building that wealth together.